Hi, I'm Steve from XLVAT. Welcome to a short demo of a new feature that's really going to save you a lot of time if you're an accountant managing the VAT returns of multiple companies using the same pre-formatted spreadsheet. Once you've filed a VAT return using the web-based Excel cell chooser demonstrated in the previous video, you'll see a new option when you click to file a new return. We can browse to choose an Excel file just as we did previously. However, we now have a checkbox which, when selected, will tell XLVAT to use the same worksheet and Excel cell mappings that we used to file the previous return. XLVAT has skipped directly to the confirmation of submission form where we can accept the legal declaration and submit our return. If you do spot any errors in your return at this point, you can cancel to go back to the cell chooser and replace any erroneous values. However, this return looks good, so just as we did before, we'll check the box to accept the legal declaration and submit our MTD compliant VAT return. That particular feature was added after we received some user feedback, and I think it's a really great demonstration of how responsive a smaller company like ourselves can be to the needs of our customers. Thanks for watching.